the garbage, please?
Hey guys.
Oh my gosh, say hi, friends! Hey friends, what are we gonna go do?
Nature hike.
A nature hike. Today on our nature hike, what are we looking for? Signs of spring, because it's spring and we want to see what's outside.
It's still winter.
It still feels like winter, but spring is coming, right? So we're gonna go look for signs of spring, okay? Does anyone remember what this is called?
Net.
A net, okay? I don't think there's gonna be any bugs for us to catch, but I'm gonna hold on to this so you know where I am, okay? And if we see something, I'll hold it up high, and that means, come look, I found something that looks like spring.
And you say ding ding.
Yeah, and if you see something that looks like spring, you can say ding, ding, ding. Should we sing our song for our friends? Okay, ready? Get your voices ready. La 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 la. Okay, here we go. We're going on a nature walk. We're gonna look for spring. If you see something, you say ding, ding, ding. Ready? Let's try it again. I'll say it and then you repeat it. Ready? We're going on a nature walk. We're gonna look for spring. If you see something, say ding, ding, ding. Oh my gosh, I love it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
If you have a hood, but not a hat on, can you put your hood on so something's covering your ears? Okay.
I got a hat.
Make sure your coat is zipped.
I have a hood. My
All right.
coat is not zipped.
When I say, do you need help zipping it? I can help you when we get outside.
Please can you cover me?
Perfect.
Please can you put my hat on?
I can. Thanks for saying please. That was awesome.
Please,
All right. When I say go, we're gonna line up at our door and we're gonna start in our outdoor classroom. Remember, stay with me. This is follow the leader. This is my net, so you can see where I'm going. Here we go. We're going on a nature walk. We're gonna look for spring. If you see something, say ding, ding, ding. Okay, here we go. Are we all together?
Come on, Olive.
Olive, we're waiting for you, bud.
It's okay. She's gonna go around. Thank you, Olive.
We're going
Yay.
on a nature walk. We're gonna look for spring.
Hi, Mr. Emilio.
Say ding, ding, ding. All right, are you ready to stay with me? Nora, could you be our door holder, please? Thank you. Great help. Okay, here we go. We might have to walk careful so we don't hear you. I think I see something. Are you with us, Miss Kira?
I am with you guys.
Ding, 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 ding. Look. What is Yeah, I think that's left over from a bird feeder. But what are these? Do we know what these are going to turn into? Leaves? Does that remind us of spring?
I hear something.
Oh.
It was a bird.
Does it remind you of spring? Say ding, ding, ding.
Ding, ding, ding.
We can hear it. Let's go together.
Oh, Vinny has something too. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, come join us and we'll look at it next. Vinny, come join us and then you can tell us what you found.
We have to be quiet though so we can hear it together. Oh, wow. Lily, did you find something?
Yeah.
Say ding, ding, ding.
I see it.
I'm going. I'm running. I'm following.
A worm?
So we can all see it. Bodie, can you take a scoop back, please?
It's
Oh, don't
dead.
squish it though.
It's dead.
Oh, it's
alive.
moving.
alive.
Wow. Why does this remind us of spring?
Catch him.
You want me to catch him in our net?
No.
Or should we leave him?
No, catch him. No, he's going to his family.
Oh, he's coming to
Aw.
his family, so we can let. Thank you, William. That was really nice. Yes, Finny.
I found something.
Okay, where we'll go. Oh, ding, ding, ding. Olive found this. What is this?
A jump rope handle.
Oh my gosh.
Do you
I
like to
love
jump rope
roping
in spring?
You stepped
Cool.
on him.
Maybe can we leave the jump rope handle by our worm for right now so we remember where he is?
Vinny, what did you find?
Yeah, just say ding ding ding.
What'd you find? We found a...
What is this brown stuff? Chocolate?
No, this.
Oh, that? What is
Oh.
A leaf.
How do you know that reminds you of spring? What?
This, I could point at see.
Oh, it's your pointer. Okay. Vinny, why does this remind you of spring? Because it's cool. Spring is cool. Yeah.
Guys,
Look what other color it is. It's gut green. Oh, ding 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 over here.
Guys.
Hold on, Nora found something. She ding ding ding.
Oh, what is this?
What is that?
Some
Oh, it looks like
grass?
yeah, a piece of long grass, and it has a little bit of green on it. Does the color green remind you of
Ding,
spring?
ding, ding.
Oh.
Ding, ding.
Miranda said ding ding ding.
Go. Ding, ding, ding. Go.
Do you guys see them? What are those?
Wow.
Whoa! Are those? They're geese.
Gooses.
Gooses and
yes.
geese. Yeah.
Where do you
How
think
cool!
they're
How many are there,
going?
friends? How many are there? Can you count them?
Two. Ding, ding.
Two.
Two.
Good job.
Two. Do you
That
want to
is
know what
so
noise they
totally
make?
cool.
Should I make a goose
Yes.
call?
Yes.
Do it. Let's hear this. Come on, Miss Corinne.
They go,
No.
they're looking at me.
Can you guys make goose noises like Miss Corinne?
Hey, friends. Hey, fellow geese. Where do you think they're going? What do you think they're looking for?
To Arizona.
Hey, can we come?
Take us with.
Wow, I like how pretty their feathers are.
And me too.
What color are they? Can you guys tell me what colors they have on them?
Brown. I got ding, ding.
Oh, William found something. What are
Ding
you
ding.
Let's run. 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 What'd you find? Oh, are you okay? Anything? Oh, I hear that bird again, too. What is this, William? Why does this remind you of spring?
Look it. Ding, ding, ding.
Can I tell you this?
Oh.
The goose.
Oh, wow. Lily found a flower that has spring all over it, girlfriend. Way to go.
Nice.
Can I tell you why this reminds me of spring?
Why?
Because in the winter time, everything gets buried under snow and now it's melting.
True.
Ding, ding, ding.
We got a lot of dings.
Oh my gosh! Friends, come look at this! Look! There's dirt. Does that remind you of spring?
Friends, what can we find in the dirt?
Ding, ding, ding.
Hold on, I'm looking at the dirt.
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh, ding, ding,
Oh.
ding. Oh, dinosaurs and balls. Oh my gosh, the
Ding,
snow
ding.
melted and is finding all of our things. Very cool.
Ding,
A
ding.
ball, thank you. What'd you find, Nora?
And all of them something.
Oh, you found a shovel, Will? What do you do with the shovel?
What can we do? Oh, I like it, Well. What are you digging for, Well? Are you gonna dig for worms and maybe
She
caterpillars?
said no.
I got the pteranodon.
Pteranodon? I love it, bud. That's awesome.
Where?
Where did you get one for me?
Oh, I don't see it.
Here.
Oh, this? This is kind of like
Oh.
a flower. That's
Like
pretty
it.
springy.
You guys, that's wheat.
Can I
Oh,
try
it is wheat. Yeah.
That's what wheat
Nice
looks
to
like.
meet you.
What animals eat wheat? Do you guys know?
I eat wheat. Yeah?
Yeah, can I get that thing, Miss
You know what?
Gordon?
Nora found something, and then I think we should sing our song one more time and wave goodbye to our friends, and you guys can keep doing
Awesome.
your nature hike out here. Well, you're doing a
What did
great
you find,
job.
Nora? A stick?
Wow. That reminds me of spring. Why does that remind you of spring?
I saw that.
You know why it reminds you of spring? No? Probably because birds are going to come get this and put it in their nest.
Ooh.
Good job. Hey, friends.
Let's come on over and sing our song
Come
one more
join us
time.
one more time, and we're going to wave goodbye to our friends.
Oh, Will has a ding 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 too.
What's your ding ding ding?
Ding, ding.
What's your ding ding ding? What
Dirt?
What in the world is this? Dirt? That definitely reminds me of spring. Why does it remind you of spring?
Nope, guys, see over here. We're gonna
All right, ready? We're going to sing our song one more time. We're going on a nature walk.
going on a nature walk.
We're going to look for spring.
We're gonna look for spring.
If you see something,
If you see something,
say ding, ding, ding.
ding, ding, ding.
All right, friends at home, we hope you get to enjoy nature today. We're going to keep looking, and there's lots of ding dings over here.